This fruit-topped oatmeal cookie pizza is pure snack joy. In a medium bowl, mix oats, flour, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the egg, brown sugar, and half teaspoon of vanilla. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, add the coconut oil, and stir to combine. Transfer the dough to a prepared baking sheet and press it into a 10-inch circle. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. In a medium bowl, mix ricotta, yogurt, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Spread the mixture over the cooled crust. Top decoratively with strawberries, kiwi, and blueberries. Cut in slices and enjoy.